Good morning, student. Last class we learnt God wished that all the wealth of the world and all the good qualities be present in human beings. At last he decided to give everything to whom? Human beings. Now see next para, next stanza. Okay, next stanza. So strength first made a way, then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. When almost all was out, God made us stay, perceiving that alone of all his treasures rest in the bottom lay. Now listen. God, at last God wants to pour everything to whom? To man. Means is creation man, no? So he want to give everything, all blessings to whom? Man. So the first thing God gave to man was strength. Okay, first which thing? God had given man strength. So strength first made a way. First place goes to who? Strength. First place. Okay, so the first thing God gave to man was strength. This is something which each one of us requires to face various difficulties of life. So first thing God gave to man was strength. Why? This is something which each one of us requires to face various difficulties of life. We need that in large amount. Am I right? We need that in large amount. Especially now pandemic period, corona period, that time. Okay. Now next see then what he had given. Okay. Then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. Then second place goes to whom? Beauty. Followed by wisdom, honor, pleasure, joy, happiness, that all. These all things was given to man from the glass of blessings. Okay, God given. These all given to whom? To man from the glass of blessings. One by one everything was given to man. Okay, strength given, beauty given, then what? Honor given, wisdom given, pleasure given, everything one by one was given to man. However, when the glass was almost empty, God suddenly stopped. Okay, now listen. However, when the glass was almost empty, God stopped suddenly. Why God stopped suddenly? Except for rest, which remained at the bottom of the glass. Only last drop remaining, that was rest. Rest means peace of mind. Okay, that remained at the bottom of the glass. Okay, now see figure of speech. Now listen. First, then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. Okay, then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. Which figure of speech? It is a climax, because qualities are listed or arranged in ascending order of importance. Okay, beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. Okay, so it is a climax. Why? Qualities are listed or arranged in ascending order of importance. And one more figure of speech. See, so strength first made a way. Here, which figure of speech? personification. Strength, actually an abstract idea, is given human quality of making its way. Listen again. So strength first made a way, figure of speech, personification. Strength, actually an abstract idea, abstract noun, is given human quality of making its way. And see, one more figure of speech. Rest lay in the bottom. Actually see here, rest in the bottom lay. Figure of speech, inversion. Figure of speech, inversion. Okay. Words are not arranged in proper order. Rest, see, rest in the bottom lay. The words are not arranged in proper order. The correct order is rest lay in the bottom. And same line, figure of speech, pun, P-U-N, okay, pun. Why? Because the word rest has double meaning, okay. The word rest has two meanings or double meaning, okay. First, last one remaining, rest means, and one meaning quality that helps us to stop doing something, that also rest, and two, relax, that also rest. So figure of speech, pun also, okay. And here this stanza rhyme scheme A B A B A, okay, A B A B A, and rhyming words way, stay and lay, pleasure and treasure. Okay, now see here one question given. What did God's glass of blessings contain? Okay, actually see question. From question you start the answer. God's glass of blessings contained, okay, contained strength, beauty, wisdom, honor and pleasure. Actually your workbook page number 93, one glass picture given, no, there you write this answer, okay. First strength, second beauty, wisdom, honor, pleasure, is all, okay. Next see one more question given here. What would the human being do if God gifted him with rest? Actually this answer, that next, okay, next stanza you will get this answer. Now see one more question. Explain the line when almost was out, God made us stay, means God stopped. Explain the line when almost all was out, God made a stay. That also workbook page number 93. Workbook page number 93 question. Now listen. When God made man, he bestowed him with all the world's riches and further bestowed him beauty, honor, wisdom, pleasure and strength. God gave man everything he could want, but then restrained from giving the precious treasure, rest, which if given it would make man adore the gifts he possessed and not the giver who bestowed these gifts upon him.